Good morning, happy Monday. It is gonna be a good day, at least that's what I'm telling myself. Today is the official first day of the Social Media Management Accelerator. This is an 8-week course that I have been planning and selling and prepping and all that for the past few months, and today's the first day of class. So I definitely have major back to school vibes for sure. Like, I could not sleep very well last night. I kept waking up in the middle of the night, but I'm excited. It's just going to be going over the syllabus and the intro today, so it should be pretty low pressure in theory. And now it's time to do something with this hair. So I was really trying to avoid having to do this. It's okay, it's not a big deal, but I am increasing my Zoom webinar seats to 500 just because I oversold my course like by a couple. Like I couldn't help it. I couldn't turn the page off in time. And so there's like 102 or 103 total people, and I know I'll be okay. I know I would get away with it, but it would be my luck that every single attendee would show up today and somebody wouldn't be able to get in and I would feel terrible. So I'm just gonna do monthly. It's 140 a month, which is a lot. Like, cause my 100-person plan is 40. I'll receive an email within 24 hours. Hopefully it works now. Oh gosh. I guess we'll see. I'm sure I'll be fine though. Okay, and I need to finalize my slides. I already did a rehearsal with my slides, which I always recommend doing. And I think I'm gonna have an early lunch / a second breakfast of avocado toast. Oh my gosh, why is this zoomed in so much? Okay, that was fun, but like also I feel like I just ran a marathon. So I was gonna try to record some videos, and I still am. It's early, it's only 1 p.m. But I'm gonna do some computer work. I need to get some stuff uploaded, like the replay uploaded, respond to some emails that came in. I just got another one come in. I'm gonna do some of that, chill out for a minute, and then I will record in a little bit. But it was really good. I mean, the reception was good. Most people seemed to be happy and said that they really liked it. So feeling good about that. And about 60 people showed up live. So I probably should not have upgraded my Zoom, but whatever. You live and you learn. Like I said, I would have felt terrible if like 102 people showed up and I didn't have seats for them. That would have made me feel terrible. So break time. It's about noon, a little after noon. I'm not gonna lie, sometimes on my last calls with clients who just really crush it, I just feel so proud and happy for them, and I'm like, you know, I'm gonna miss them. So it was a really good call. I'm actually going to get my wedding dress fitted today, so it's a short work day, so who knows, this might be the only clip of the day. I'm just making a quick lunch. So I've been trying Daily Harvest, not sponsored, but these sponsored ads finally got to me. I don't know if you guys get them on YouTube all the time, but honestly, they're really, really good. Like everything I've tried has been amazing. This is gonna be my first rice bowl, or sweet potato and wild rice hash, I guess is what it is. But I've had the flatbreads, I've had the smoothies. The smoothies are so good. The flatbreads are so good. I had an oat bowl yesterday morning. Everything is really, really good. So I might have like some kind of a referral thing. If I do, I'll leave it down below if you want to try it. But it's just been a really good, easy meal without feeling guilty about it, you know? And by guilty, I never mean calories, by the way. I mean like health. Like I feel like it's actually whole foods. I feel like I'm actually nourishing my body and not just like grabbing whatever's quick and greasy and salty, you know? So gonna make this. Then I need to send out an email for people in the membership or in the mastermind, in the accelerator. I have too many things. The accelerator with group assignment information, because we're gonna do like little mini masterminds within the accelerator. So I need to send out an email. I'm a little nervous about how chaotic this is gonna be because I'm letting people self-select their times and I'm a little scared, but I'm hoping all goes well. So we'll see. And we'll see. One of my clients, she's so sweet. She got me a Starbucks gift card, which is like, she did not need to do that at all, but it's like awesome because I like coffee. Hey everyone, happy Wednesday. Today has been like a wild day already. I feel like I've lived like a whole lifetime since I last spoke to you. We went to Belle Isle last night for a little evening walk. Fun fact, Belle Isle was made by the same person who made or architected, I don't know, built, planned Central Park in New York. And I think it's bigger than Central Park. It's a beautiful park here and it's an island. It's like the closest point you can get to Canada. It's really beautiful. I loved it. So I needed that, some fresh air. Just recorded a video. I woke up really early today because I couldn't sleep. I was just anxious about the state of the world. So I couldn't sleep. So I just woke up and got stuff done early. So I just recorded a video. I'm gonna edit that video and put it up today. I just took my first ever selfie that I think actually looks good. Testing. I am like notoriously bad at taking phone selfies. Like I've never done that. And I think I actually took a good one today because I used the self timer and I also got this thing. I'll link it down below. It was a cheap, it was like $9 on Amazon, but it's so nice. My client is here, so I gotta go. I'll talk to you after, but you can put your phone like this. It's pretty cool. All right, getting on a coaching call now. Hi, happy Thursday. I'm on my second cup of Starbucks coffee of the day. And we just, I don't know why this is pointed at you, pointed at the star. I'm just kidding. We just ran some errands, grabbed some lunch, went to Target, and now we both have a long day of production ahead of us, I think, right? That's what you're doing for work. And I am also going to go home, clean this space up, and I actually have no meetings today, so I'm going to try to batch record some podcasts and just get that out of the way. I also need to finish up a client project, so I was waiting on them to send me like a intro graphic and things like that. So they sent that over to me, so I just stitch it all together and send it off. So that's kind of gonna be my day. I have some exciting things, some developments to talk to you about. I actually want to do a little whiteboarding session about some stuff. Okay, ignore the general grayness of my hands and my lips. I'm trying out a new lipstick and I feel like it's really too light for me. But it's 5 something. It's like 10 after 5 and I'm getting ready to film, finally. Kind of had a reverse day today where I did all of my personal stuff, family stuff in the morning and early afternoon, and now I'm going to be filming for the next hour or so at night. Not too late. I shouldn't have to be working too late in theory, but I just wanted to talk to you since I've been doing a little bit of a terrible job keeping up with this vlog, but it's just been a pretty chaotic week. Good, all good stuff, but it has been, I've just been doing a lot. This is a Texas shirt, by the way. I got it in the mail as a mistake and I keep it. I have no idea. Yeah, so the accelerator started on Monday and it went really smoothly. I think I, updated you on that. The other big task that I'm working on is hiring. I have been sort of floating around the idea of hiring a full-time person for a while, and it's finally, I think, reached the point where I'm ready. Went over my numbers. I was waiting for my taxes to get done, to see what final year-end numbers were and all that stuff, and I think it's time. So I get these surges of creativity and these surges of energy, and so I've been staying up late. Like, I haven't even been meaning to, but the past couple days I've just been up until 1 or 2 a.m. like, drafting job descriptions and figuring out money stuff and salary bands and all this stuff. I don't know. It's just like if I had to sit down right now and work on that, I wouldn't be able to. But at 2 a.m., oh baby, more like midnight, and then it goes until 2 a.m. I get that surge. So anyway, it's exciting. Yeah, I sort of worked out this very complex mathematical equation, gathered all of the information and all of the tips and advice that I learned from my mentors and other people in the industry and other industries, and came up with this formula. So I want to share that with you all. Not really a formula, but just, yeah, I guess that's what, I don't know. I don't know math terms, so I guess it's called a formula. Anywho, yeah, I'm gonna go film a couple podcasts. Curled my hair. I'm not good at curling my hair, so I did my very best. I was just getting bored with wearing it straight. I don't think I like it straight anymore. Now that I'm so used to getting blowouts and getting it done wavy, I think that's my preferred hairstyle. But let me know what you think. Last time you voted on straight part or side part, let me know, do you prefer my hair wavy or straight like it was yesterday? Not that it matters, I'm just curious. Okay, let's get dressed and film. I love this whiteboard, but it's like really dirty. Like it doesn't erase very well. I don't need to know if I need to buy a new eraser. I'll clean the eraser, but I've been just using tissues, which I don't like to do, but you know, just to try it. And it's still like, I need to use this stuff every time. So if you guys have any whiteboard tips, do you have any teachers who watch me? It could just be a crappy, cheap whiteboard. It's probably that, but whatever. Happy Friday! So we've made it to Friday. I have a pretty fun day, packed day, but a fun day. My first call of the day canceled on me. So again, this is becoming kind of a theme and I really need to figure out what to do. Everybody has lives going on. So it's like, I'm not mad at anybody, but I am not taking coaching until June. So I want to like really revamp communication and stuff like that, like my process in between now and then, so that I'm not constantly dealing with this, because it's been happening like a lot. I don't know if it's just because the weather's getting nicer or what, but anyway, so that was nice though, because I got to sleep in a little, to be honest, and I feel like I needed it. It's been a busy week. I'm about to get on a call with the social media management accelerator right now. So every few weeks, we're gonna have a group office hours call. This is the first week, so I've gotten a lot of questions via email, a lot of questions in the community forum. So just wanting to make sure that everybody is all good on, you know, where they're supposed to be and when, you know, what the assignments are, like that kind of stuff. So that's what this call is for. It should be pretty fun, just a good way to like chat with the group. And then I have an interview for my full-time position. And then later in the day, I have my first call with a new hire that I made. I'm working with somebody for partnerships to hopefully get some sponsorships for the podcast, because it can't fund itself anymore. Something's got to give. Either I'm gonna stop doing podcasts or I need to get some sponsors on them. So it should be a fun day. I think in between, Norris and I are gonna take a walk. He has the day off. It's Good Friday, actually. It's funny that like this is my busiest meeting day of the week and he has it off, but it works out. So gonna write down these questions, and oh, and in between that, I also need to finish up that client project. It's really done. I just need to export it, but I think I'm gonna shoot her a note right now just to give her a heads up that it'll be coming later in the day, so she's not waiting for it. And yeah, let's, as I say, and I hate saying it, let's get it. I don't know what else to say. Also, I have these microphones like all over the place. We were having some issues last night. Me and the production team, AKA Norris, helping me out, and we made a mess, so yeah. Oh, in other developments, I'm trying half calf coffee. That's what I'm drinking right now. I did have one full calf coffee this morning, but I really like coffee a lot, as you all probably know. And coffee isn't terrible for you, but I don't know that it's good to be like slamming caffeine all day long. So I remember one of my aunts, she always used to drink half calf coffee when I was growing up. So Nespresso does have a half calf, so I'm just gonna give that a try and see how it goes for like my second and third cup, because technically if I drink a third cup, that's only like drinking 2 full cups, you know what I mean?